Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Christina and today is my Partners in Cream project pan update. So this project was started by Steph and DaLin and a ton of us are doing it, so I'll make sure to have the playlist and the spreadsheet down below of everyone who is included in this project pan. And basically the rules of this project pan is we are just using up our cream items from our collection. It is a year-long project and we do monthly updates. And it is also rolling, so today is going to be my update for June and I'm pretty excited about it. So before I jump into the update, definitely make sure to hit that subscribe button because I do upload on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard. And I don't want you guys to miss out on any of my videos if these are interesting to you. And now let's get into it. So I have 5 items in this project and we're going to start out with the first one on my list, which is my Colourpop Super Shock. I've basically been rotating these through the entire project and just trying to hit pan on them. The color that I rolled in last time was Prickly Pear, and we have pan in Prickly Pear. It was really easy to hit pan on this one, and I've used it a few times since then, just to kind of make sure that like the pan is there. I ended up using it 6 times before I hit pan, and I'm happy about that, honestly. I'm really happy. So I will be rolling in a new item for that at the very end. Next item is my Kaja Blush. This is the like heart cheek stamp blush, this guy right here. I honestly thought it would be done by this update, but I literally just flipped the cushion over again. I know last month I did it and I flipped it over and I thought, oh, it should be gone by now. There's still a ton of product at the bottom, so I flipped it and we have a ways to go. I'm wearing it today. I've been wearing it a lot lately. I've used it 20 times since our last update, and like I said, I flipped the cushion back over and there's still product underneath, so it's gonna take a while. I'm hoping by next month this guy will be out of here. Next product is my highlight. This is also a Super Shock. This is the Colourpop Super Shock in Stole the Show. As of the last update, a lot of you guys told me to just push it to one side to see how it is. Pushing it to one side has made it a little crumbly, so now bits are just kind of falling off when I use it, but it's still, for the most part, relatively intact. So I've been using it a good bit. I've used it a lot less now that I've pushed it to the side because I'm scared I'm just gonna break it. That's how the highlight crumbles. I've used it 5 times since the last update, so like I said, not too much progress has been made, but it is all in one cohesive side now where it doesn't feel as comfortable, but you know, still getting used, and it shows that I have less than half of the product left, and we'll see how it goes. I think it's going to be at least 2 to 3 more months of just using that guy, just because I haven't been using it too much, and I mean, it could potentially be less. If it just keeps breaking, then it'll just go faster. Speaking of breaking, the next product, my L'Oreal lipstick. She's still in here right now, but we had a fatal accident last night. I was going to go put some on, and it completely fell off and fell on my floor, and she now has dog hair on her, so I'll just go ahead and pull her out. I tried to put her in the freezer to reset her and it clearly didn't work, and now I'm just gonna throw her away. She's contaminated. She again has Wallace hair on her, and I don't want to put Wallace hair anywhere near my mouth. Sorry, Wallace. He's even had a bath recently, but you know, ew. I'm not putting dirty lipstick. So this guy is also getting rolled out because she broke off and is contaminated. So not really a win, but also kind of a win because I can get this out of here. So we'll also be rolling in a product for that guy. And then the last product in this is my Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. Again, it's not settled, so I can't really tell where it is as far as the bottle, and it is over the weight limit. I've used this 10 times is what I counted on this, but I did have this in a little jar combined with another foundation, so there could be more uses in there. It's a little confusing, but 10 times on its own, and that's pretty good. I have a lot of other foundations in my other project pan, so I think 10 times using just that one works really well for me. So now we're gonna get into what I'm rolling to replace the 2 items that we finished. So to replace the Colourpop Super Shock, I'm actually gonna roll in my J-Cat Prismetal. I already have pan in these, so my goal is to actually finish this up. It's really messy in there. There's already pan. It's probably about halfway empty. These are considerably smaller than the Super Shocks. Like as far as pan size, they're pretty small in comparison, but I would like to finish this. I think I can do that before the end of the year. I love these J-Cat Prismetals, so I don't think that should be that much of a challenge. And then to replace Contaminated Lip, we're gonna roll in another L'Oreal lipstick that I have in my collection. This was actually in my Graveyard project pan last year and in another project pan, so there's not much of this lipstick left. So I think actually I should be able to finish this one a little bit easier. I'm just hoping it doesn't do the same as that one and break off. But I mean, so far so good, and there's not much left. This is who we're gonna roll in to replace that. And I'm hopeful that I can actually get this done too. I feel like these, if I'm pretty consistent with them, I should get them done around the same time. So I'm feeling good about that. And yeah, so that is the entire update for my Partners in Cream project pan. I know this was really quick, not too much going on, some progress, not too much progress. Thank you so much for watching. If you like these kind of videos, definitely make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave. And remember, there is always magic to be found, and I hope that means I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!